29 is the natural number following 28 and preceding 30. Mathematics. It is the 10th prime number, and also the 4th primorial prime. It forms a twin prime pair with 31, which is also a primorial prime. 29 is also the 6th Sophie-Germain prime. It is also the sum of three consecutive squares, 22 plus 32 plus 42. It is a Lucas prime, a Pell prime, and a Tetradaci number. It is an Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part and real part of the form 3n-1. Since 18 plus 1 is a multiple of 29, but 29 is not one more than a multiple 18, 29 is a Pali prime. 29 is also the 10th supersingular prime. None of the first 29 natural numbers have more than two different prime factors. This is the longest such consecutive sequence. 29 is the aliquot sum of the odd discrete biprimes 115 and 187 and is the base of the 29 aliquot tree. 29 is a Markov number, appearing in the solutions to x2 plus y2 plus z2 equals 3xyz. 2, 5, 29, 2, 29, 169, 5, 29, 433, 29, 169, 14,701, etc. 29 is a Peyrat number, preceded in the sequence by 12, 17, 22. Since the greatest prime factor of 292 plus 1 equals 842 is 421, which is obviously more than 29 twice. 29 is a Stallman number. 29 is the smallest positive whole number that cannot be made from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, using each exactly once and using only addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Religion. The Bishnois community follows 29 principles. Guru Jambeshwar had laid down 29 principles to be followed by the sect in 1485 AD. In Hindi, Bish means 20 and Noi means 9, thus Bishnoi translates as 29 as the number of suras in the Quran that begin with Muqaddarat. Science and astronomy. The atomic number of copper. Messier object M29, a magnitude 9.0 open cluster in the constellation Cygnus. The New General Catalogue object NGC 29, a spiral galaxy in the constellation Andromeda. The lunar month is very close to 29 days. Saturn requires over 29 years to orbit the Sun. The number of days February has in leap years. Language and literature. The number of letters in the Turkish, Finnish, Swedish, Danish and Norwegian alphabets. The number of nuts in one sickle in the fictional currency in the Harry Potter novels. Geography. The designation of Interstate 29, the U.S. freeway that runs from Missouri to North Dakota, in the name of the town 29 Palms, California. The number of the French Department of Finistère. Military. 29th Regiment of Foot, a former regiment in the British Army. Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center 29 Palms, affectionately referred to by Marines as 29 Stumps. Music and entertainment. $29 is a song on the album Blue Valentine by Tom Waits, an album by Ryan Adams. The track from which the Chattanooga Choo-Choo Train departs in the Glenn Miller song. The amount of attributes existing according to the Strokes in You Only Live Once. Sport. The Olympiad number of the 2008 Summer Olympics. The retired SL Benfica shirt number in memory of Miklos Faye. The highest possible score in a hand of cribbage or canoe. The jersey number 29 has been retired by several North American sports teams in honor of past playing greats or other key figures. In Major League Baseball, the Atlanta Braves, for John Smoltz. The California Angels, now the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim, and the Minnesota Twins, both for Hall of Famer Rod Carew. In the NFL, the Los Angeles Rams, for Hall of Famer Eric Dickerson. In the NHL, the Montreal Canadiens, for Hall of Famer Ken Dryden. No NBA team has retired the number, which is rarely issued. A 29er is a mountain bike with 29-inch wheels. History. The 29 is often used in New Zealand for the missing miners and contractors believed to have been killed in the Pike River mine disaster in November 2010.